All right, guys, so today we got ourselves a pretty darn interesting bunk model. Today I'm down at Campers in Wilmington RV, my hometown store here. Live about 15 to 20 minutes away. But today we have the 2026 Campbound 281CBH. Sorry, I was making sure that I got the model. But man, this has two bunks in the far back at a pretty uncommon disposition, and each one can hold 500 pounds. Now, the reason why I am here today at Campers Inn in Wilmington is they are having a grand opening here this Thursday through Sunday, May 14th through the 17th, and I'll be here with my unit all day Saturday and Sunday, helping some folks out. Make sure you get some good deals, have some fun while you're doing it. They're gonna have burgers, dogs on the grill, really good time. And then they're also doing a grand opening at all 50 of their locations across the country. So I'm gonna put some more information because they're doing some pretty incredible giveaways, including giving away 2 actual RVs, which is pretty cool. The sign-up information will be down below. And like I said, I'll be here Saturday and Sunday at Wilmington, Ohio, having a good time, because this is a store that I worked at, helped open it about 3 years ago. And there's some good folks down here. I mean, heck, I had a couple of them over the other night for a little UFC fight. And I buy my eggs from the general manager. So it's a nice little farm area. But like I said, the Campbound Platinum, this is by KZ Venture. So you're gonna know that it has the good construction qualities to it, that aluminum frame construction. Venture actually won a DSI award last year, which is a Dealer Service Index award, which is basically all the dealerships vote on brands that they in particular enjoy getting because they have a lack of issues and service calls and warranty calls, things of that nature. And Venture actually was one of the winners of that last year. But 281 CBH, as you walk in, you're going to notice there's only one slide out here in the living room, and you get a ton of room, which leaves this area to be all for your campground space with that slide out and the lighting there. But man, how open is this area? Pretty darn cool. You also get a lot of good countertop space as well. And the accent lighting is making this bad boy shine up like justice. But this right here is the real star of the show. We got 4 kids running around at home, and finding RVs that work for kids and for the parents is a difficult task to achieve. I love the fact that they have the table right here where you can sit down, play some cards, get some work done. If you're doing travel ball like we are, having that desk space is really important. That's why we put it in RV. Oh, also too, guys, my actual personal RV will be here. So it'd be a good opportunity for you guys to come check that thing out. Super happy, proud. It's an awesome moment in general. But look at the bunk model on that. 500-pound capacity. You could fit the plumpest of the plumpest of firstborns back here with the bunks. You also get the privacy curtains as well. Kids need some room for some stuff. You got some room for some of your kids' stuff. And then I like how the little feet have little steps to help them get in and out, as well. But they're still part of the family action, which I think is really important. Head height in here is going to be roughly 6'4", I would say. They are using the Coleman Mach AC. What's nice about the Coleman Mach is it will have a more home-type filter in it, so that way if you're more conducive to like allergies and things of that nature, to really help cut down on that. TV backer location right there. Fireplace to keep you nice and a roasty and a toasty. And then you're also going to see your control panels up here, including your tank heaters as well. So you can do a little bit more camping in the winter, in the fall, early fall, late spring, things of that nature. Just keep this bad boy from freezing up for you. Fireplace got about 4,700 BTUs of heat for you. And then you're going to get a jackknife sofa over here. So that way you can let, maybe like a buddy or something like that, crash. Like I always like to say, that funkle down at the campground, baby. But you got plenty of room for probably 2 queen-size beds on a blow-up bed. Could fit down here as well. Emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry. And then, of course, you got the Dracula shade, baby. Stop the old skin from sizzling. Keep the nosy eyes out. This looks like it might be some cup holders. Yeah, sure is. Gotta like that, your old cold cans of apple juice. So right over here, 10.7 cubic foot, 12-volt refrigerator for you. It's also got that nice little latch right there, so it's staying in nice and tight. But you could see, you got a room for a long weekend's worth of food. No problem. Unless your family's like mine, the 17-year-old and the 14-year-old just kind of plow through everything in existence. You can't have enough space unless you had a grocery store in this thing to keep those guys fed. It's crazy. It sucks, but it's cool. Adjustable shelving. And then you flip it around. This is going to be your little kitchen nook, man. This is going to be where you put all the plates. Going to be where you put all the pans. It's going to be where you do a little bit of cooking with the 3-top burner to whip up all the fixings, baby. You're also going to have the hard wrap countertops right there. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. I think what do they call it? Thermofoil? Is that what it's called? Kind of blanking out there. You do have potato mode and frozen dinner mode, so if you don't like to cook too much, you got some modes that'll fill you up. Right here, you got your sales price, $38,241. Bada bing, bada boom. Stainless steel undermounted bowl with the high-rise faucet. Whoosh, 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 hitting those dishes from all angles. And then you're also going to see the fact that you have, your plumbing and enough room for a garbage can as well. I do like this, though. Look at that. It's all dovetail construction in here, too. So that's probably why, this venture, this campground, why you're getting like a DSI award, is because of the fact that, even like the drawers are just going to be a little bit nicer. Interior speaker can become exterior right there. You got a little pill. And then you also see this right here, RV airflow systems, which is really just a fancy name for that right there. So pretty common. I don't even know why there's a sticker on that bad boy. So right here, you got a mirror to check out the old bowling gun, baby. Suburban on-demand tankless hot water heater. You got your stainless steel bowl, place for some TP or a towel or two. You're also going to see more access to your plumbing. Porcelain foot flush throne right here. And then you got about a 36 by 36 shower, which, if you guys are a little bit bigger, you're going to see you got plenty of room. I'm 6 foot, 300 pounds. Getting in and out of here with ease. Also head height, you're looking at about 6'3" as well. So that's pretty nice. Oh yeah, baby. Get me clean. All right. Let's show you the bedroom. Because the cool thing about this is you got dual entry, but you also got a lot of storage right there. You got a king size bed. Let's see what kind of storage we got underneath. With king size storage, you got 2 more stools for that table there, outside. But I love the fact that you can get in and out right here through the bedroom. Since it is a shotgun style bathroom, you're never going to get trapped by the pooper. TV backer location, appropriate plugins there. And then you also have the ability to get Wi-Fi while you're on the road. Now back here, you'll see you do have a couple outlets there for you. I tried zooming in just a little bit. The zoom on this doesn't do anything too crazy though. Look at that. Little hanging room action. Bada bing, bada boom. But all right, guys, what do you guys think? Campbound 281CBH here at Wilmington, Ohio's Campers Inn. And again, don't forget, all 50 locations, they got some giveaways, they got some spins, giving away 2 different RVs. You do have to be present at 4 p.m. on Saturday, which I believe is the 16th. I'll put that information on how you sign up and all that down below. But like I said, the Campbound 281CBH, 2 really unique bunks in the back. Drop some comments, let me know what you think. All the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description. But now let's knock out this exterior. And this is where, things kind of speed up for you. They go a little bit quicker, but right off in the front, you got your 3/4, probably about 3/4, maybe half, molded fiberglass with the rock guard down at the bottom. You're also going to see that you have your power tongue jack, pretty standard these days, but you do have the BAL, the Norco frame there, the little G frame as they like to call it. Place for 2 batteries, and your disconnect will be located right up here. And then as far as external storage, you open this bad boy, and they are using the magnets, so they got away from the cheap little clips. And the nice thing is too, they're actually using metal for the slam latch doors. So they're going to be a little bit extra girthy there for you. You can really see that aluminum frame construction there too as well. Extend and extend, that's going to be the front jacks and the rear jacks. You do have power jacks there for you. So power in the tongue, power on the sides. Composite steps as well, so those are pretty nice. Just helps get the dirt off, flips up into your doorway and gets out of the way. They're also using the screen defender too, which I'll show you on this one over here. Basically you unhook it and then it'll kind of close itself, which is nice. This is going to be just a little bit of extra storage there for you. I think I would have liked to have seen a cutout right here where you can put a trash can. I think that'd be pretty cool, because if I'm not mistaken, that's just to the right of the dishwasher. Dual axles. Got your cable hookups and your exterior plug-ins there as well. They're also using the Lion's Head 125 lifetime warranty as well. So it's like 1 year, basically don't worry about it. 2 year is your roadside assistance, and then 5 is going to be the structural on the tire, I believe. Something like that. Oh, extend and retract again. So, okay, so it's back left, back right. That's kind of interesting having all four there. Low point drains right here. You're also going to see you have a bumper with a spare tire. You also have your backup camera prep as well. And then let's see what's underneath this because your tires get in the way. A little bit of extra storage. Now, I'm going to be here playing some games on Saturday and Sunday, that's for sure. Let's see if I got it like that. Ah, gonna get one more on there. Buckets, baby. Kobe. You got your backup camera prep, and now we're heading over onto the non-camp side, and we're gonna show you where the dumps are and whatnot. But right here, you do have the ability to put on a slide topper on this. It's gonna prevent debris from falling on top of your unit, you know, help out with that longevity a little bit. I'm about to be getting those on my personal RV, you know, as well. I would say probably pretty darn soon, because, you know, your boy doesn't want to get up there. Sewer outlet connection. This is going to be all your wastewater, which is nice. So gray and black coming into one. You're also going to see that you have your 50 amp connection located right here as well. Docking station. So that's going to have your fills, but also your outside shower. And then you are pre-wired for the solar, as you can see right there. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. I hope to catch you next time. Again, my name is Hunter, and this is the 2026 Campbound 281CBH. Come and see me here this weekend. Have a great day. See you.